It's an exciting day. Closing day for my clients for an amazing property in Sandfell. This was a tough one. It was a bankruptcy court sale, which took an extremely long time. And there was a lot of issues along the way, but we did it. And my clients are super excited to get a fabulous property. Let's go take a look inside. Beautiful cul-de-sac. And then your own private gated estate. A nice circular driveway with multiple parking pads, 3-car garage plus an auxiliary garage, and a nice little entryway. Let's go take a look. This place is like a castle. There's the front entrance. Let's go take a look on the side. Just look at this spectacular space. I'm excited for my clients to have this fabulous yard for their family gatherings, kids to play on, and memories for a lifetime. You gotta love these absolutely massive doors. Solid metal. Unreal. This is that side garage, 3-car garage, multiple patios, front sunroom, palm trees everywhere. Beautiful presence in this home. So is it you or anybody that you know that's looking for that hard to miss opportunity or impossible to get needle in a haystack? Reach out to me anytime. Happy to help.